Hey guys, Ali here. Welcome to my channel. And today I have a very interesting, very informative, and a short video. I think it's gonna help you immensely. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to play a news stock when there's a news breakout in the middle of the day and the stock surges up like this, like you see British Petroleum, and how to know if there's a news out there and how to judge quickly there's a news out there and how to take advantage of it. All right, so let's get to it. Now, this is a recording of my trade that I'm going to play here, and I'm going to show you how I got in and got out. So all of a sudden, while I was trading, all of a sudden I heard there's a news out there on oil. I didn't know what the news was, and at that time, because it just happened so quick, I immediately opened BP because that's what came into my mind, that British Petroleum is an oil company, right? And I opened. As soon as I saw this is what I saw. So I saw that I had already missed this huge move. It just made this move in just a minute, right? As soon as I saw this, all right, I was like, fine, this is moving. Also to notice the huge volume. You see this throughout the day, the volume just decreasing. All of a sudden, huge influx of volume. That means there's news out there. It just didn't happen all of a sudden that a lot of people just within a minute started buying, and that's what confirmed my theory that there's a news out there and it's a positive news which is causing the stock to go up really quickly. All right, now how I got in, which is a very key subject here, because normally when people see this, they get FOMO, which is fear of missing out, and they just chase the stock and get in here and hope that it's going to go up even longer and higher and they're going to make a lot of money, right? But what if it goes up here and you buy up on the top and it goes down? What are you going to do, right? And then you get out and then it goes up again and you're just pissed. You're like, oh my God, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly I did it, all right? So let's play this video. I'm going to do my commentary over it too. So I noticed the first thing I did here is that I tried to see where's going to be my stop loss. So I drew a trend, I drew a support line, and that's where I put my order out, all right? As soon as I put my order out, I adjusted my stop and I say, okay, if it breaks VWAP, if it breaks that huge influx of volume where it came from, it means it's not gonna work out. And I did not chase the stock. I waited for the stock to come back down to the support area, because if the stock is truly strong, it's gonna test it one more time and it's gonna rip off. That's what normally happens. Now, if I had gotten on the top there and the stock would have come down, I would have panicked. I'm like, okay, well, it's gonna come down now. It's coming down. What's gonna do? So I waited for the stock to come down, and as soon as it did, I saw it's holding, so I just jumped in. All right. So now notice I got in a pretty good price, and now I'm waiting for the stock to hold this support line which I drew. All right. If it does hold, I'm gonna try to add some more of my position. And here you see I'm gonna try to add. I see it's bouncing off. I'm like, all right, it looks like it's gonna bounce off, so I'm gonna try to add some more to my position. Unfortunately, I think I'm not gonna get this, and it's gonna go without that position, I think. Let's see what happened here. All right, so now I'm also looking at the volume. Okay, I'm looking at the volume here, and I'm seeing the volume is still coming, so there is positive news, I'm sure. And unfortunately, I did not get this fill. Yeah, I got pretty pissed on it, but whatever. And boom, fast forward, start to doing its job. Now the next thing I did was I started to make resistant lines where the next resistance is. So I saw there was a resistance here. I put my order out right as this resistance, all right? Because I don't want to have all the profits and then it just comes back down on me. So I want to take some profits, all right? So fast forward. I'm adjusting my limits, take some profit, and it hits my profit right there. Now you see here, I'm now waiting for the stock to tell me if it's gonna come back down or it's not. And from looks like it at that moment, it looked like, all right, it's holding and it's not breaking. All right, so it's not breaking. I thought, okay, fine, I'm gonna take some more profit. I was already pretty much green on the day, very good day. So I want to be, play safe and take some more profit at there. And I got a pretty good move too. And boom, within the next second, it just popped up. All right, so my next take profit is the next resistance. I'm not just taking profits anywhere. I have a plan that where I'm going to be taking my profits, which is the resistance. I'm not just going to take in the middle out of nowhere. All right, so it goes to my next resistance. and I'm gonna get filled out here pretty soon. And boom. All right. So that's how I play a news play. The news broke out here. I saw a huge volume which confirmed that there's a positive news out there. Now, I don't have time to go back and check, oh, what news was there? What is it? By the time it's going to make this move. So I'm going to get in closer support because if I'm wrong, I'm not going to lose huge. But if I'm right, I'm going to win. I'm going to take a bigger or meaty part of the move. All right. And pretty good trade. I hoped for a bigger size, but whatever, you know, it worked out at the end anyway. But the whole idea behind is that I did not panic when the stock was going without me. I waited for it to come down, all right, and then I took profit when it came to the resistance. I did not get greedy, all right. The stock is going up and up and up still, but I did not get greedy. I took my profits close to the resistance. Now let's see what happened actually. So I took a screenshot of actually what happened the whole day, and look at this. I took my profit right in this area. I got into my trade in this area, took some profit here, and took my final profit here. And look what happened. It came back down, all the way down. And I just took this big meaty part of the move. And that's how you play a new stock. All right. Now let me know if you like this video, if you learned, if you will have some questions. Definitely comment on it. If you like this video, like it. If you love this video, subscribe. All right, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.